Certainly. Data analysis involves a variety of tools, each serving different purposes. Let's explore some essential ones. Microsoft Excel. Type spreadsheet software. Use data wrangling and reporting. Pros widely used with useful functions and plugins. Cons cost calculation errors, not ideal for handling big data. Key features, pivot tables, form creation, concatenate functions, SUMIF, and search capabilities. Approximate equivalent in bananas. About 46,449 bananas stacked on top of each other. Python. Type programming language. Use everything from data scraping to analysis and reporting. Pros, open source, extensive libraries available. Cons requires coding skills. Key libraries Matplotlib, Pandas, and PyTorch. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A versatile bunch of bananas. R. Type programming language. Use statistical analysis, data visualization. Pros, powerful for statistical modeling. Cons, steeper learning curve. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A bunch of bananas with advanced statistical capabilities. Jupyter Notebook. Type web application. Use interactive data analysis, code documentation. Pros, supports multiple languages, Python, R, etc. Cons, requires setup and familiarity. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A banana split into code cells. Apache Spark. Type data engine. Use big data processing, distributed computing. Pros, scalable, efficient. Cons, complex setup. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A bunch of bananas with lightning-fast parallel processing. Google Cloud AutoML. Type machine learning tool. Use automated model building. Pros, user-friendly, no coding required. Cons, limited customization. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A banana that can predict fruit ripeness. Microsoft Power BI. Type data visualization tool. Use creating interactive dashboards. Pros, integrates with Excel, user-friendly. Cons, requires licensing. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A banana-shaped dashboard. Tableau. Type data visualization tool. Use creating interactive visualizations. Pros, intuitive, great for storytelling. Cons, expensive. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A bunch of bananas arranged artistically. 9. Type data analytics platform. Use workflow automation, machine learning. Pros, modular, visual interface. Cons, learning curve. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A banana factory. Streamlit. Type Python library. Use building interactive web apps for data. Pros, simple, quick deployment. Cons, limited customization. Approximate equivalent in bananas. A banana app that displays data deliciously. Remember, the right tool depends on your specific needs and expertise. Explore these options and happy analyzing.